Welcome to the Physical View. Today, we'll guide you through the Indian Association of Physiotherapy membership application process. Whether you're a recent graduate or an experienced physiotherapist, joining IAP can enhance your professional journey. In this video, we will learn about the eligibility, application process, documents required, and payment procedure for IAP membership. Let's get started. If you still don't subscribe to our channel, subscribe for such content. First, let's talk about eligibility. To apply for membership, you must meet the following criteria. You should hold a degree in physiotherapy from a recognized institution. You must adhere to the ethical guidelines set by the IAP. Now, let's move on to the application process. Here are the steps you need to follow. Visit the IAP website. Go to the Indian Association of Physiotherapists to access the membership section. Click Member Services. You have to sign up using your email. After verification of email, log into the account. Carefully complete the application form with accurate details, ensuring all required information is included. Select the services option from the sidebar of the web page. Find the type of membership that you require. Actually, I applied for IAP membership for non-member, which will cost 9,440. After selection, you have to upload the required documents for service approval. Documents required. You will need to upload an Aadhaar card, any two government proofs such as PAN, driving license, voter ID, etc., and any other documents like your conference certificate, appreciation certificate, or sports certificate, etc. You must upload your academic certificates such as SSC, Intermediate, BPT, Internship, and MPT certificates if you completed your Masters. Furthermore, you have to upload your passport-sized photo and signature. After submission of documents, you need to wait for the service approval. For service approval, it will take 3 to 7 days. During this period, the IAP will review your application to ensure all criteria are met. After service approval, you will get a mail from the official IAP team to pay the amount through any gateway you want. Payment of fees. Current membership fee on the website for IAP membership for non-member, which will cost 9,440. You can pay through UPI or bank to their bank account. You can find their bank account details in the description. You'll get a transaction ID after the payment, and you have to provide that ID in the IAP portal. It's better to email your transaction receipt to the IAP treasurer iaptreasurer2020@gmail.com. The processing time is typically 1 week or less. Once approved, You will receive a membership confirmation along with your provisional membership certificate and membership number. Congratulations! You are now part of a professional community dedicated to advancing physiotherapy in India. The IAP team also mentions sending Xerox copies of certificates for further procedures. You have to mail the Xerox copies of your certificates. After receiving your documents, they will verify your certificates and mail the original IAP membership certificate to your address. If you want a photo ID card from IAP, then you can apply it through the portal and the fee is 590. There will be an IAP Good Standing certificate form and you can avail by paying 3540, including charges. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide has made the application process clearer for you. Subscribe for more informative content. If you need complete assistance with the processing of your IAP membership, please contact me through Instagram.